All right, so now the fun one. Um, so a couple customers are trying to introduce this idea of in dashboard or in embed navigation. And what they're doing is kind of interesting. They're using the Markdown viz as kind of a hack. And Richard, I guess like probably a month or two ago, introduced this ability for the Markdown viz to emit a custom event that has some arbitrary amount of data attached to it. And so what some customers are doing is they're creating a Markdown viz, they're emitting an event, which is the ID of the dashboard they want to let the user navigate to. And then in their iframe, like in their outer frame, their host frame, they're capturing that event, generating an entirely new embed URL, and redirecting the user there, which is really super clever, except the experience is kind of bad because basically they have to tear down an iframe and create a new one. And it causes the end user to experience a bunch of flashing, and load times are kind of slow because you have to, request all the assets to render our app. So I was thinking about this and I hacked together a little demo, which basically creates a new Markdown tag and lets folks specifically point to different pieces of content they want to let embed users navigate to seamlessly. And so credit where credit's due, this is built on top of a lot of the stuff that Richard's worked on, along with a really nice implementation Elliot provided a couple of months ago to enable linking between embed dashboards and keeping that all within our security envelope and making sure everything works the way we intended to and authorization is not accidentally broken. So I'm going to demo this first in the unauthorized state to prove that we're doing the right things. So I've got this dashboard here, generate my URL, copy it, and then the demo gods are with me. Cool, so I'm here now, and I've got this markdown here with these links. I'm gonna click one and I should get an error. So, boom. Okay, so we're explicitly saying like, hey, you didn't specify that you're allowed to link to other content. So let's try it again, but now open it up. We're gonna add this on the link. There's open. Copy that. All right, and now these links, if the gods are with me, they work. And so in this case, we're just using Remix's routing functionality. So there's no reloading the page or tearing things down and recreating things. You just basically get to navigate seamlessly as quickly as we do when you log into the regular app.
Woohoo! We could probably provide some like markdown copy that may, for styles of like different types of tabs or stuff like that, just so people can quickly copy paste. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I guess one thing I could show as well is if I go back here, I mean, this is like for an end user, it's super trivial. It's just this tag on the embed link and then a to attribute that points to the content they want to allow linking to.
Nate, is that like kind of a precursor to tabs? Like if there's just a native UI for, I guess tabs is all within one dashboard and those are separate dashboards, but it's all still loading like simultaneously.
Yeah, so I think it's kind of like a half step or, depending on how you think about it, we have to have like a product spec for tabs and dashboards, but tabs and dashboards may be a way to organize a large workbook within itself.
Yeah.
And this is a way to link across
workbooks
content within Omni.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah.
Can those content paths take filter parameters, like filter query parameters and everything?
Yeah, they can.
Sweet.
I mean, just to be clear, this is not out yet. Local on my computer, but it's definitely going to be possible to do that.